Yousician and Simply Guitar are two of the most popular guitar learning apps, but the truth no one mentions is how differently they handle long term use. Yousician shines with its interactive lessons, gamified practice, and wide instrumental support. It feels like playing a video game while learning, and its real time feedback keeps you engaged. The catch is that Yousician often runs out for serious learners. Once you've mastered the basics, the content can feel repetitive, and advanced players may find themselves hitting a ceiling. Simply Guitar by Joy Tunes takes a different approach. It's beginner friendly with step by step lessons and clear guidance, but it leans heavily on subscription pricing. Many users complain that it overcharges compared to the depth of content offered. While it's great for absolute beginners who want structure, the value drops off quickly once you progress, especially since advanced material is limited and locked behind higher tiers. Musician is better if you want an engaging game-like way to start and don't mind eventually outgrowing it. Simply Guitar is fine for beginners but feels overpriced for what you get. Between the two, Yousician is the stronger choice, offering more variety and better long term value despite its limitations.